Thanks for tuning into our how-to series. Today we're going to be talking about how to medicate your dog with pills. So when giving medication to dogs, there's a few challenges that we do face. Firstly, how to hold and handle your dog during the process, and secondly, how and where to aim the medication. And thirdly, just making sure that your dog swallows the medication it needs.
So every dog is different. Some are very manageable for uncomfortable procedures, and others are very resistant. And some have great appetites, like Briar here, and others are quite picky. So if you have a dog who's fortunate with that excellent appetite, offering the pill as a treat wrapped in something tasty like deli meat. Here we have some pill pockets, wet dog food, peanut butter, cheese, might work quite effectively and makes the pilling quite a positive event. Other dogs may require manual administration, which is what we will discuss and demonstrate in this video.
During the process, the main goal is going to be to keep your pet as comfortable as possible, and also everyone involved feeling nice and safe. So if your dog does tend to be aggressive for handling, hiding the pills in something really tasty should be your go-to method if you can, because dogs can have quite a powerful bite if they do feel unsafe.
Before you get started with administrating oral medication to your dogs, you want to make sure you have a couple things. So first of all, you want to make sure you have the correct medication, of course. It's always worth double checking the dose and the label, and if you have any doubts or questions, absolutely give our office a call. We're happy to help you. The second thing that's useful to have is a syringe of water. We have a syringe here, and you just fill it with water in your tap. That helps encourage the dog to swallow the medication more smoothly. And then the third thing that can be helpful to have, if possible, is a helper. A second person just to help give the dog treats, make it more positive, and keep your dog from running away.
Sometimes you might find it helpful if someone stands behind them or just kind of supports under their abdomen there to keep them from running back. But usually we want to use our non-dominant hand here to hold the upper portion of your dog's muzzle behind their canine fang teeth. So see, there's the big canine fang teeth. And that's sort of where there's a gap that is safe to hold. Okay? And then what we're going to do is just kind of give them some gentle strokes on their head, bracing to just create a positive interaction here. Now, if your dog is already fearful at this point, we don't want to continue. We want to kind of work on desensitizing to this position. So, but Briar's being quite good here. So once we're ready to go, we're going to then hold the pill in our dominant hand and get ready to give the pill. We're going to hold the top of her muzzle and just open the front of her teeth here and aim for the back of her mouth as far back as you can go. And then we're going to squirt a little bit of water just behind the canine teeth to be sure that she's swallowing. And sometimes it helps to follow up with a little treat after, just to wash it down and create a positive time. She's now a little suspicious about what I'm giving her, but she's a good girl. So if you do feel uncomfortable putting your hands into your dog's mouth, that's totally understandable. We do have clients who prefer to use a pill popper device. It's just a plastic device with a little rubber tip at the end to make it easy and soft to put the pill near the back of their throat. So you can follow the same steps, but instead of using your fingers, you just want to use the pill popper device to pop it down into the back of their throat there.
Some owners worry that the medication may go down the dog's trachea, and while this is technically possible, it's very rare because the dog's epiglottis and their tracheal folds protect the airway. So although you may feel concerned about that, if you follow the steps in the video, you're likely to protect your dog, and that's quite unlikely to happen.
Sometimes getting the technique just right can be a little bit of a challenge, but with a bit of practice and a positive attitude, knowing what you're doing is the best for your pet, you can do it. And we just want to make sure that it is a positive experience with your pet every time. You can always finish with some treats or a little bit of play or grooming if that's what they enjoy, so that they can associate this medicating time with a positive, happy bonding time rather than something uncomfortable.
So thank you for watching our video so much. We hope you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more of these how-to videos, and we'll see you again soon.